Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am here to give y'all a makeup tutorial. I am here to try to recreate the makeup look I actually did Sunday. And if you didn't see the makeup look that I'm talking about the makeup look I wore to my godmother's birthday party and thing. So yeah. I am excited for the month of June because anybody who's been part of my channel for a long time knows that my YouTube channel, well, if I get in my brushes, let me get my brushes right quick. So, alright, so anyone who's been part of my YouTube channel knows the month of June is my birthday month and my sister's birthday month. And it would usually be my mom and dad's wedding anniversary. So yeah, um, um, so I am will be trying to do a Nutrisystem update in 2 weeks. So all right. So the next thing we're going to that was the newest primer, and that is the Maybelline Master Primer and Blur Pore Blur Pore Minimizing. I hope I pronounced that. 400. So this is a newer one. They didn't have the one I usually get, and so I'm gonna be doing a review on this. This is something new. So yeah. So the next thing I'm going to take. This is gonna be so simple. So we are doing our. This is the basic simple routine that I did that day, Sunday, and I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer in medium peach. I go a little I use lighter colors. So I have beige when it's the so if you see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Same over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and stuff. So I do this, and where is the brush I'm looking for? Oh, there's one. No wonder I couldn't find it the other day. Let's see if I can get it up. And we're going to use this. And like I'm concealing, and we're just going to dab that. And that's how I conceal when I'm don't have foundation on. I still like to conceal a little bit because I do have dark circles. Okay. And before, so we're just gonna let that, we're gonna put that right there. And we're going to go on and start. And this is the Perfusion this is the palette. I'll write down the palette. Anything. So Compass. We're going to take the color called Compass, and it's this color right here. And we're just going to use that right here. Hold on, y'all. I made a mistake. Forgot to put this on. So let me get through this right quick. Okay, and that's the Milani eyeshadow primer. And where is it? So Ooh, this right here. And I use this brush to far. I don't have to use my finger all the time. And while I'm thinking about it, let me do this right quick. Okay, so let's start this over one more time. So we're going to take Cop has, that's this brown looking color, and we're going to put that in the crease. Okay. And we're going to take okay, and we're going to take this brush right here and we're just going to blend that a bit. And where the next color we're going to take is called Dessert. And it's this like coral, dark coral color. That's this color right here. And we're just going to go in the crease, start from the corner of the crease and pull in. And we're just going to pull that in right there. Alright, and we're going to take this again and we're just going to blend that out real well. And we're just going to pull, stretch it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our brow. This is, like I said, this is a simple routine. We're going to take this brow gel, and this is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow gel right here. And we're just going to put it in the brow. And this, and the color in this is like chocolate brown. It's 258 chocolate brown. I will list everything. And where is the one I need? I need to get by. Hungry in the morning. Here we go. There we go. So this is the brow wiz I use right here, and I am, it's just combing it in and arching at the same time. Okay, and before I finish up the eyes, we're going to go on and do the powder. This is the Revlon pressed powder and thing. finish up the brows. And so we're going to need these two right here. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we set two over here, and we're going to take this shimmer color and this color. So we're going to take the shimmer color first, starting from and you're just gonna put all of this like pretty shimmery glaze color all over the lid first before you put it okay. And the next color is this like this color, let me show you. So the color you're gonna put over that is this color right here. And you're just gonna come back a little over that. Okay, that's the so the next color we're going to use another brush. Is this brush right here, and we're going to use this color called Plot. It's this color right here, and we're just going to put that in the crease, brow crease. All right, once you do that, you're going to take this brush, and I'm just going to take this brush and I'm going to blend that out a little. We're going to blend that out. And I love it. So we have that blended out. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to do the highlights. And we're going to use this color. One of my favorite colors to use is this color right here. And I'm going to put a little bit on the tip of my nose and my nose. And what we're going to do, where is that part? It's just to make sure we have it all blended out a little bit and stuff. We're going to blend this out. Alright, and for the blush, I'm using something pretty different. We're going to be using, this is actually the color I wore, and this is the Black Radiance Cosmetics Artistic Color Baked blush, 830, 8314 Rich Peach. And I'm going to show you how I applied this. So I'm going to take this brush like this, and I'm just going to dab it. I'm going to dab enough. Do that. We're going to take this brush again, and we're just going to do this. There we go. And we're going to take the color. We're going to take 2 lipstick colors to get the color that I did. And we're going to take the color Mink from Revlon. So that's the color Mink from Revlon. And let me see if I can find it. And from the DG makeup line called Believe Beauty, I have Fireberry, and we're going to lay that on top. And that's it. That is the look. I actually am loving the look. It's simple, and you don't have to use foundation. All you have to use is the foundation pressed powder from Revlon. Y'all, this is a simple look. I actually love the look. And until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.